Hi everyone, my name is Monica and I teach beginning ballet here at Sac Dance Lab. Today I have Beth and Jon and they will be helping me today with an all levels class. We're going to start off with our pliés. We're going to take arms starting in first position. Arms are going to go 7 and 8. We're going to take a little breath in the arms. 1, demi-plié, 2, demi-plié again, 3, 4, going for a grand plié, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Reverse the arms, going 1, 2, 3, 4. Quick little balance check, 5, 6, lower 7, and then we'll go to our second position. Same thing there, demi-plié, and straighten, faster version, demi, and straighten, and grand plié, 2, 3, 4, and up, and down. Quick little balance check, and lower, then we'll go to our fourth. We'll do the same thing there, and then we'll go to fifth position, do the same thing there. We'll end with the demi-plié and nice sous-sus balance. And then we will finish. Now let's try it with music. As a disclaimer, we will only be doing one side of every combination, so make sure you rewind and do the second side. Next, we're going to take a slow Taundu from fifth position. Our arms are going to go 7, open out to second position on 8. We're going to go to the front first, taking a half point, full point, then we're going to flex that foot, go back to your point, then half, and in, then one regular Fondue, and close. Same thing to the side, we're going to take a half, a full, a flex, a point, a half, and in, close it to the front, out, and close it to the back. Same thing there, faster, half, full, flex, point, half, in, one regular. Then we're going to take out, demi-plie in second position, elevate up on 3, hold it 4, hold it 5, 6, 7, demi-plie, Taundu, close it in the back, and we'll reverse the whole combination. A little bit of a faster Taundu from 5th position again. Our arms are going to go 7 and 8. We're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to switch our weight and go to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go to the side. Same thing, 4 Taundus. Out, close it in the front. Back. Front, back, switch your weight again, inside leg, going front, 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 front. Then we're going to reverse the whole sequence. Adagio combination from 5th position. Our arms are going to go 7 and 8. We're going to take 4 dégagés in first. So going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now going front, back, front, back. We're going to repeat that twice. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to take 8 dégagés in first position using our port de bras. So we're going to take 1, 2. 2 counts to go down to low fit. Then 3, 4, first position. 5, 6, high fit. 7, and 8. Then reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we will finish. If the port de bras is too hard, please feel free to leave your arms in second position. make sure that we're nice and engaged and lift it up. From fifth position, we're going to take 7 and 8. We're going to take 4, 2 count Rhonda Johns, going 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Making sure you go through first position every single time. 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now, every time we go to the front, we're going to rotate corners. So we're going to take 1, 2, rotate on the front, 3, 4, rotate, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. Close it in the back so you can do the next leg. Next up, we're going to take a Taundu coupe pas de bourrée exercise. We're going to start with the working foot in the back in fifth position. We're going to take arms 7 and 8. We're going to take Taundu out, in, 3, 4. We're going to take 5. Then here we're going to take that to coupe, 6, 7, 8, stay up until the and. Then we'll take the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, opposite arm to coupe, 7, 8, and. Let's do that 4 times. Next up, we're going to take a little Adagio. So we're going to do our croisé line, and we're going to go from fifth position. Our arms are going to go 7, open out on 8, and we're going to take 2 taunliers with the front foot starting it. So going out, Taundu, demi-plie, Taundu, switching your weight, close it in the front, then out, demi-plie, Taundu, close it in the front. We're going to take an 8 count développé with the front leg, going 1 and 2. Arms are going to open with the leg, and remember, if our leg isn't high, that is okay, go to whatever's comfortable. Extending out 3, 4, slowly lowering, 5, 6, closing it back into fifth position, 7, 8. Then the back leg is going to go up to passe. 1, 2, You're going to hit your attitude. 3, 4. We're going to promenade all the way around. 5, 6, 7, 8. You have a 1, 2. You're going to extend out into your arabesque. 3, 4, 5, 6 to come back into your Taundu. Brush, crunch, 7. Close it into 5th position on 8. And you're ready to do the next side. To all the other dance genres. If you are a professional or you aspire to be a professional dancer, remember that you should be doing ballet almost every day if possible. And remember, if you can't do it every day, still try to work on a few things, even while you're brushing your teeth, while you're watching TV, while you're folding laundry. Use every opportunity because you will see great results with ballet, and it'll help you in all other genres as well as in auditions to stand out. If we're just doing this for fun to build some strength, build some flexibility, 1 to 3 times a week is ideal. But remember, do what you can and use your home as a great place to practice. Again, while you're doing everyday activities, it's always an opportunity and we just have to take advantage of them.